doing? I hope you are good on this moment. Here I want to teach you something. You can listen to someone. If you can listen to the motivational, you can also create a motivation. If you can read a book, you can write a book. If you can learn something, you can also teach something. The question is that how can you overcome ability that is there is things that is hidden inside? How can you overcome those? Can you create ability from inside you? Today I want to talk about the perseverance. That is perseverance. It's the ability to keep trying even in the face of obstacles. There is the obstacles and difficulties, but you have to keep trying. Many of us waiting for perfect time to start doing something. Some of us who have many dreams. Sometimes we wake up in the midnight, start thinking about our dreams, but we also get sleep again. In the morning when you wake up, you don't think about your dreams, you just think about your daily plan. If you are a student, you think that you will wake up and go to the school differently from your plan, while your plan come in the night when you are dreaming. Why you don't take care of your dreams? Sometimes it is better to use your time differently from others. If you want to become successful people, you have to work different from others. While at night, while you are wake up in the midnight, just wake up and do according to your dream. If you have a dream to write books, just wake up. Since you started thinking about, wake up and start writing that book, opening your machine, making a draft from papers. While your dream has come, start about your dreams, because you will not get ready anytime. You will not get perfect time to start. You will always be discouraged by your daily schedule, by your daily works, by different things. But the most thing is to start chasing your dream. It is to start chasing your dream, because your dream give time to put your life feel better. It will always remain in the dream. You have to break up your dream. Your dream start in the midnight. In the morning, the dream has finished, has gone, and you start thinking about your survival life differently from your dream. I want to tell you that you have to follow your dream. Whatever your dream is forcing you to do, whenever it is forcing you to do, just wake up and start doing it. Dress to what life you are living in. I hope that we had good times together. I want to ask you to subscribe on this channel so that we may keep being together.